Good morning from the tea leaf country. So yesterday, after arriving in Nuwara, eliya, and having a look around the town, today I thought I'd venture out a bit, get down the windy roads and check out a tea factory, a tea plantation and a waterfall. The roads around here are absolutely beautiful, every corner you turn.
So welcome to our creative bush tea factory. Okay, now I am telling you how to make the tea process. Okay, mainly we can process 4 kind of tea: silver tea, golden tea, green tea and black tea. Okay, we are producing here black tea. Yes, normally tea leaves have 75% moisture, then we remove the 50% here. Here the corner have very big fan. We use fan for with the leaves. Okay, underneath hot air blow in and moisture go out like this. %50 dry. How is Sri Lanka?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Sri Lanka we do the orthodox manufacturing here. Orthodox means just twist, not cutting, not chopping. At home, which kind of tea you drink?
PG tips.
Tea bags?
Yes, yes.
But don't drink tea bags. Today you can change because tea bags poor quality. The stems particle become materials. Tea dust goes to tea bags. This is the furnace. This is a furnace. Dry machine inside. I will show there. These are very old machine. It is 100 years ago.
Yeah, it looks old.
Yes. Made in Ireland, Belfast. We have the spicy tea and fruit tea, lot of tea here. First you can taste the pure green, golden, silver, black tea. Then if you like, you can go for the flavor tea.
Lovely, okay.
See, let's go.
That was so nice, just sipping on those teas, taking the views in. And I don't know if you can see, but I spotted a waterfall, so I'm now going to go and check that out. Let's go! Well, not bad, not bad. Must admit my legs didn't appreciate the steps, they're in pieces after yesterday. I'm now going to make my way back to Little England. Along the way, I'm going to try and find some tea pickers, see if I can get some pictures. Let's go take a look. Just had a nice stroll around some plantations. Took 1 or 2 pictures of the tea leaf pickers, but the trouble is, as soon as you do, it's money, money, money. So they're bleeding me dry, so I'm gonna head back to town now and go and relax. My poor little legs are rather sore. Right, let's do this. Back in town, predictably, temperature's dropped and it's raining. I think that's going to be it for today. I'm going to find myself a shop, get a few lion beers for tonight, relax, put some footage out for you guys. I know you love it. Tomorrow sees me check out and say goodbye to Nuwara, Eliya, and make my way up to the backpacking town of Ella.